In this video, I'm going to review the automated scanning results from the Accessible Web Ramp platform for my website. Welcome to the Accessibility Guy channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump into the ring. Now, I am currently logged into the Ramp platform by accessibleweb.com. We've already gone through the Compliance Center. We've already gone through the different pages on our website. And now on the automated scanning page, we can get a snapshot of all of the accessibility errors on my website. Now, I think it's super important to try to get our automated scanning to 100%. This means I need to fix as many problems as possible that span the most amount of errors across my website. Right now, I currently have 59 critical violations. These are the first ones I need to fix. Then we have 1,300 serious violations on the Accessibility Guy website. We can see the different amount of violations and their specific days. So if there was a spike in one direction or another, we would know based on the date of when that material was published. This could be super useful for going back and making sure that we use the right template or that we set up everything accessibly before publishing it to the web. Now, we also have 41 recommendations to fix our automated score, and it's currently monitoring 562 pages, and then it gives me the latest scan results. We have lowest scoring pages and recently failed pages. Let's go ahead and select the critical violations button. This is gonna then take me over to the pages tab, where it's going to tell me all of the different violations that exist. That is filtered to pages with critical violations. We've got a couple of issues that need to be addressed. Ensure elements with an ARIA role that require child roles contain them. I don't even know where this is at. So let's go ahead and select Open in Extension. This is going to take me to the specific web page on our website, and it's telling me that our content wrapper, ensure that you are following the proper design patterns for custom interfaces based on the element's role. Determine which child elements are required to provide them. Parent-child relationships can be communicated together. So I actually don't know what this error is, but we need to figure out how to fix it. All right, so we at least now know what the error is. We can go and try to fix that, and that would improve the score on this page. Let's go back to automated scanning, and let's view all 41 recommendations. And in this example, we have another error that is coming up on 329 pages. So let's select the option Fix Insufficient Color. So what this is telling me is that my color contrast is failing for the links in the article. What I did was I took that information and I found some CSS code to update my website. So in theory, I have actually fixed this error. But let's go ahead and add a task. We're going to select Submit, and this will add a remediation task for my web developer, prompting them to come in and fix the color contrast for that element, or for all of these elements. Now, what's nice about this is once the scan occurs again on my website, in theory, I'm going to have 329 less errors. So we can fix another 560 errors by adding an accessible name to link in the header. So I have a specific area that's missing a title attribute. We should be able to fix this pretty easily, but for now, let's do an add task, and we'll get that over to our remediation team. Let's see, add accessible name to the link. Perfect. We can add all our information. We have the task created. It's found on 560 pages, and this is great. So this is the fastest way that you're going to be able to start fixing all of the errors that represent the greatest impact for our automated accessibility score. We want to try to get to 100 out of 100. If you want to try out the Ramp platform by accessibleweb.com and take advantage of their free 14-day trial, there's a link below this video. And as always, I can be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you over in the next video.